Hello everyone, this is Ajit. Today we are going to find a solution for a very generic Excel problem which we face in our day to day tasks while creating any kind of reports or doing some data entry. That problem is having duplicate entries in our data. This is the purchase order for some, let's say, any company or any person. So now here you can see we have order ID, unit price, quantity, and total. So these are the columns I have. Now, if you look closely, there are multiple duplicate entries here. And if you want to find the duplicate entries manually in this table, it is very tedious task. Like if you can do that by just selecting this table and then sort this custom sort, put the custom sort and then sort by any of the column name which you want. Like I'm selecting order ID. Now you'll see it is sorted by order ID. Now you can see the order ID column. There are multiple duplicate entries here, like this one, and these entries. These are duplicate entries, but this is really tedious task, and it will take so much time to find all these duplicate entries. So now, what we can do, there are so this was the first method which you can use, like manually you can do it by sorting this whole table. So this was the first method. Now we'll see the second method, how you can find the duplicate entry. Now what I'll do, I'll create a new column here, duplicate values. In this column, what you can do, you can just enter the formula countf, start with this row and then go till the end. Now this order ID column is selected. Now what I'll do, I'll just freeze these values by putting the dollar sign here. So now let's freeze it. Dollar sign here and freeze the column B here. And now I'll freeze the column D here and freeze the column theta here. Now I'll have to give the criteria, like which cell it has to look. So okay, I'll just put in the comma and then I'll select this cell. Okay, now close the bracket and press enter. Now you can see there are two values with this order ID. Now what I'll do, I'll just copy and paste this formula till the end so that I can find all the duplicate values. Now you can see here, these are all the duplicate values which we have. Okay, so now what we can do, we can also, now you have you found what are the duplicate values and how many duplicate values, duplicate order IDs are there with this order ID or this order ID. All the numbers are written here. Now what you can do, you can just color it down. You can just select, and you can just color the duplicate values wherever there are duplicate values, those cells will be colored. So just select this whole table and then go to conditional formatting and then go to new rule and select use a formula to determine which cells to format. This is this is the option you have to select. And then before putting the formula here, just go to format and then select fill, and whatever color you want, just select that and select OK. Now you can select the formula here. What you'll do, we'll select the row, which row we have to sorry, which cell we have to define here. Now I'll select this cell. This is the duplicate value cell. I'll select the cell. This we don't have to make it constant, so I'll just remove the dollar sign here from here, and then I'll say greater than 1. So what it'll do, it will It will color all these cells which have the values greater than 1. Okay, so I'll just select OK. Now you see all the cells which have values, which have duplicate values, and the value is greater than 1 is colored. Now again, what you can do, just select this and go to sort, custom sort, sort by, select order ID, select OK. Now you'll see all the values which are duplicate are sorted and are colored, and this is really easy way to find out all the duplicate values. All the values are sorted and colored. Now this was the second way which you have just seen. Now what I'll do, I'll just select this and I'll clear all the rules. Okay, now I'll just delete this and we'll see what is the third and the last and the simplest way to find the duplicate values in this table. Select this table, go to conditional formatting, go to highlight cells rules, go to duplicate values and select this. Okay, now all the duplicate values are selected. Now again, go to sort, go to custom sort, sort by, order ID. Now all this is sorted and you can see all the values which are duplicate are colored and are sorted. So this, the last method was the simplest of all the methods. First we have seen the manual method by sorting this whole table. Then we have seen the second method by creating a new rule from the conditional formatting, and then this last one method which you can go to conditional select the table and go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, and then duplicate values. Okay guys, so this was all for finding the duplicate values in Excel. Thank you for watching. That's it. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.